All right. So like I said, you can, I encourage you to probably show your work on a separate sheet of paper. That way you can spread out your work a little bit more. Okay. All right. So you're on the side that does not have the balloon on it. Okay. So make sure you're on the opposite side. We're going to just run through these examples real quick, and then you're going to start practicing your calculations, okay? So we have Boyles Law, Charles Law. Oh, yeah, if you have your gas law notes, you might have that out as well, because we wrote down every single one of these, and it might help to have it right next to you, all right? Please remember, if you don't have those notes and you're not really sure what you are solving for, right? Remember, all of them came from our combined gas law. And so all those relationships are shown there. And so you can kind of figure out, crossing out the ones that aren't mentioned, what the relationship is that you're looking at. All right? All right. So for this first one, we see a sample of oxygen gas has a volume of 255 milliliters. When its pressure is 0.965 atmospheres, what will the volume of the gas be at 0.980 atmospheres, right? So here we have volume, we have pressure, volume, pressure. So we would get rid of our N and T. So this is the one that was P1V1 equals P2V2, all right? So I'm just going to write that. P1V1 equals P2V2. All right, so when we go to plug this in, all right, we have our P1 is the first one that was listed, so 0.965 ATM. We're going to multiply that by volume 1, which was 255 milliliters. Now, before I go write that one out, we see that it's in milliliters. If we were to convert that to liters, what would that look like? Exactly, 0.255, because you divide it by 1,000 or you move that decimal 3 times to the left, right? So I'm going to go ahead and multiply it by that. Okay, so we have that side, and then we're setting that equal to, and so we have a pressure 2 value of 0.980 multiplied by volume 2, and that is who we're solving for, okay? So when it's laid out like that, basically what we've got two numbers that need to get multiplied together on the left-hand side, and then we're going to divide it by the 0.980. So once you have multiplied and then divided, what are you guys getting? $0.251. Anybody else? Is that what you guys got? Okay, cool. Awesome. Yep. So we would have multiplied these, had it on our calculator, so you pushed equals, and then you divided by 0.980. You should be getting the answer of 0.251. And what's the units for that? Is it going to be liters or milliliters? That's in liters. If I wanted the answer in milliliters, how would you change it? Yeah, we're going to the right now, right? So that should be 251 milliliters, okay? And after I told you guys to write yours on a separate sheet of paper, I proceeded to write on this paper, and I'm sorry. So I'll write the rest of this on a separate sheet of paper. You didn't either? Okay. If you can write small, then that's cool. But I know it's kind of hard to see up there.
Is that 0.980 times V2?
Mm-hmm.